Okay, Chris, here's your quick walk around. Car seems to be very solid. I looked under the frame, looks solid too, nice. It's not all rusty or anything. Engine compartment, looks like almost everything is here. Body is in nice shape. I know you said you're going to restore it, but body's in real nice shape. Kind of tight quarters to walk around this right side, but I'll try and do my best here for you. Quick look inside. Interior looks like it would clean up. Very nice driver at this point. Radio is an aftermarket radio. Do you have the original radio by chance?
No, sir.
Okay, no original radio.